Unity and values, the core of harmony. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss: unity and values. You might have heard this phrase in various contexts, but what does it really mean, especially when learning English? Let's dive into the essence of this concept and explore why it's pivotal in both personal relationships and broader societal contexts. Unity in values refers to the state where individuals or groups share common principles, beliefs, or priorities. It's not just about agreeing on superficial matters. It's about having a fundamental alignment in what you hold dear and essential in life. This unity can be seen in families, friendships, workplaces, and even nations. When people have shared values, they tend to understand each other better, cooperate more smoothly, and build stronger, more meaningful connections. Imagine a team where every member values punctuality, hard work, and respect. This team is likely to work harmoniously and achieve their goals efficiently. On a larger scale, when a community or a nation shares key values like equality, justice, and freedom, it paves the way for social cohesion and collective progress. Unity in values acts as a powerful glue that holds societies together, especially in times of challenges and change. It's crucial to distinguish between unity in values and uniformity in beliefs. Unity doesn't mean everyone thinks the same way or doesn't have unique perspectives. It's about agreeing on core principles while celebrating individual differences. In a multicultural world, understanding and respecting diverse values is essential, but finding common ground ensures harmony and mutual respect. So, how can we foster unity in values? It starts with self-reflection, understanding your values and why they matter to you. Open communication and empathy are also key. They allow you to understand others' values and find common ground. Lastly, education and shared experiences can bridge gaps and build unity. Whether it's in a family, workplace, or community, nurturing a space where values align creates a strong foundation for collective well-being and success. In conclusion, unity in values is a powerful concept that transcends mere agreement on everyday matters. It's about a deeper connection based on shared principles and goals. Whether in personal relationships, workplaces, or broader societal contexts, fostering this unity can lead to harmony, understanding, and collective growth. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of this concept and inspires you to reflect on and cherish the values that bring us together. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.